Okay, hello everyone. So today we got a Yamaha TRBX 305 5-string bass coming in for pro setup, together with a spot leveling on one of the frets. There will be a detailed coverage on what I did and why I did the fret leveling for this particular bass later on in the video. So stay tuned. Okay, see you at the end. Bye. Okay, hello everyone. So today we got a Yamaha TRBX 305 coming in for a pro setup. Other than that, he needs some spot leveling. When I check with the fret rocker, this is the highest point. He says that when he plays this first string, it will tend to buzz. Right now, no buzzing, as you can see, no buzzing. But if I plug very hard, then it will come out. But right now, moderate use of the plug, it will not come out. Okay, so other than that, I raised up the strings even more. When it comes to setup mode, there's two main points that you need to take note of. Is either playability or tone. Most times it's a trade-off. If you want playability, sometimes you don't get tone. When you bump up the tone, you want tone, then you must sacrifice a bit of the playability. These are most cases. If sometimes you might be very lucky, you can get both, but more than often, this is the two trade-off. Okay, so other than that, guitar is good. I tighten up the jack as well. The other thing, he says that there is sometimes when he play, he gets some electric shock. He thinks that is the grounding, but I check and it's not the grounding. Then I ask what amp he used, that kind of thing. So he says that he used a Katana from Boss. From what I read from the forum, sometimes this amp will give that kind of shock. I used to have one Katana Mini, it gives me the same thing. Then after that I sold it off. Okay, so you might want to do some research on the amps that you are using. Sometimes it will give you a zap. It might not be the buzzing, it's just the amp itself. The other thing is maybe static. Sometimes when you rub your fingers on the surface of the body, or the pickups or the strings or wherever on the body itself, it will have like a crackling sound, like that. Then that might be static. How to remove static? There is a dryer sheet that you can buy actually to remove the static itself. Okay, static happens when you rub against it with maybe your shirt, like that kind of thing. So from your shirt, so any point of surface whereby it's rubbing, the positive and the negative charge will actually be present, and when it rubs, it creates a static surface. Okay, so you want to consider that as well. But for this issue is no grounding issue. I think it's high probably it's just the amp. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to test this guitar now. The guitar play quite nicely, although it feels a bit higher. He says that he wants a bit more tone, but this is the sound. This is on A and the rest is standard. Okay, very good. So all clear. I jammed it earlier. I kind of liked it. Typically, if I spend more than 5 minutes playing or just doodling with the instrument, there's a high chance that I really like it. I don't know whether it's the color, because I like this color. This is candy apple red, or it's just that, yeah, it's just a good, it's a good piece and it feels comfortable. So yeah, this is one of the guitars that I would recommend. Okay, good. This is a good guitar. I see you when I see you. Take care. Bye. Okay, if you need my help with any of the guitar or bass work, you can contact me via WhatsApp 841-89951. Hope to see you soon. Bye.